everybody. Welcome back. Today we're going on a little road trip. Going to pick up something that my son bought. It's going to be pretty exciting for us, for him. We think y'all going to enjoy following along on the process of this build I say we, it's him. I'm just got a rat in my pocket all the time. But y'all come along and follow us on this build here. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of the videos coming up on this series, or whether it's dirt track racing, farming, welding, fabricating, or whatever we're getting into. Let's see if this gives you a clue where we go. Alright, we made it to Red Line Power Sports here in Myrtle Beach. Let's see what we're picking up today.
I mean, man, I'm just not a tall fella.
There's his new toy, y'all. Alright, we made it home with my son's 570 Ranger SP. Check this thing out, y'all. He's gonna get it off the trailer here in a minute and ready to start putting his stuff on it. Very cool. Well, as you see, we just picked it up. He's rode it down the road twice or 3 times and fixing to start putting some bolt-on accessories on it. As you see, there's a windshield. That's the Super ATV one. Just like we put on mine. Well, I say just like it. It's the same windshield, but it's different because it's a different model. There goes all of his hardware. Clamps, gas cylinders, gaskets, more clamps. Hardware. So y'all be sure to come along and check it out. As soon as we get that stuck on, got to put his roof on. Got a 2-piece roof. I think it's a 2-piece. But the roof's going on next, and we're gonna try to go on he wants to ride tonight, so we'll be getting the windshield to stop the wind off of him and the roof on it. Y'all come along and check it out. He's got whip lights to go on it, rock lights to go on it, a 5,500 pound winch to go on it, a 2 or 3 inch lift to go on it. Got the made in the USA lift. A man makes it, hand fabricates stuff kind of like we do. He went with that one, supporting another local guy. Well, not local, but supporting a small business owner, put it that way. I'm trying to think. Trying to decide what size tires he wants. It come with 25s. He wants to put 33s on it. My Ranger's got 30s. 30 with 17s. He's wanting to, I don't like them. They ride too rough to me. Let's see. There's our windshield. Ours comes out, pull your hand on and let her, folds out like that. His is just like it, except his don't have the bottom to stay. His is all one piece. We're gonna put the Gerald Farms YouTube logo right there. What you think about that? All right, we're running into an issue with this Super ATV windshield. We had the seal and all on it, and the width is right. All the hardware looks good, but the height is too high. It's measuring a 1/2 inch too high for your hinge to work. Like when you put the hinge in, it's too high and it's not letting the windshield set in, so we've got it marked. He's wanting to cut a 1/2 inch off the bottom and he's thinking it's gonna work. Let's cut it and see. All right, we got the windshield cut as you see and got it in. Now he's working on putting his roof on it. Coming along good though. Trying to decide about this here. I think we need to get some washers. Make that look nice. That's the back corner. Looks good though. There goes your window latch, just like the one on ours, but that's got one on each side. All right, I think that's gonna do it on this video on the 2023 570 Ranger SP. Y'all make sure you check out and stay tuned for more videos on this build, because he's got a lot of other accessories and stuff he's gonna be putting on it, with speakers and lights and just tires and rims and lift kits. So look for the playlist on the Ranger SP 2023 build. But make sure y'all subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, whether it's four-wheeling, mud bogging, dirt track racing, farming, welding, fabricating, whatever we're getting into today. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.